Hi guys, good morning. I hope you're well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's the time again of making amazing recipes. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, you are the best. And so let's get straight into this video. Today we are making amazing, healthy, the best, and I'm not even afraid of saying this, the best banana oatmeal pancakes ever. And so we need oats, and I have a measuring cup that I'll use. The oats are from the Weetabix oat bix, the jumbo ones. We need some sugar, salt, and I told you guys, anytime you're cooking anything that is like baking, salt is an enhancer. We need some cooking oil, baking powder, and in that white container below the baking powder I have some baking soda. Then we need some cinnamon, bananas, and the smooshier, the uglier the bananas are, the better. Milk, please guys, whatever you do, don't use water, kindly. And we need an egg. Water just makes this recipe, you won't like it. Trust me, you will not like it. So use milk or any plant-based milk. So we are going to be using my pan, and guys, I think I am overusing, or I am just overusing this pan, but that's because it gives me the best results, so I love it. And like I was saying guys, use almond milk, use, I don't know, any milk, but please don't use water, kindly. So we are going to blend everything up. And basically what we're going to do, I'm going to measure my oats, and the measuring cup I'm using is the half a cup one. So I put in 1.5 cups of oats, but the amount of oats you use is dependent on how many people you're cooking for. Now guys, whenever I pour in my oats in a container, I always like to cut the expiry date part and put it in there so that I know when it's going to expire. So that's a hack. And so we're just going to throw in our bananas in there, and like I said, the uglier the better. The uglier the bananas, the overripe ones are the best. And once you've put in your bananas, I'm going to put in my cinnamon, in there goes. The more the better. I love cinnamon, so that's why I put a lot. I'm going to add a pinch of salt, sugar, or honey. For people who want to go the healthier way, add honey. Then we're going to add our baking soda, and that's half a teaspoon, and some baking powder. Now you can skip the baking powder part and use the baking soda only, or skip the baking soda and use the baking powder only, but I love both. I've put in my egg, and then now we're going to pour in our milk. So guys, if you notice that as you're blending it is too thick, add more milk. If it is too light, add more oats. So that's the proportion that you use. Too thick, add more milk. Too thin, add more oats. So that's it guys. We are just going to get straight into frying. And so I normally put just some oil on my pan, and then we're going to put the oats. And like I showed you in the last video how I make my pancakes, that's exactly how I make my banana oat pancakes. So you just pour in your flour, and as you can see, mine is not too thick and it is also not too thin. And guys, that's the consistency you are going for. So we are going to leave it until we see some bubbles forming, and that's your indicator that your pancakes are ready to flip. Any pancakes you're making, the bubbles are your indicator that they're ready to flip. So basically guys, as you can see on the edges, it's starting to cook, it's starting to get brown, and then the bubbles on top have formed well. So now at this point I'm going to flip my pancakes, and guys, I'm in love. I love these pancakes. Are so filling and they are amazing. Actually, I think I'm just turning into a healthy eating person. So these pancakes are a must have. I think I'm switching from the wheat pancakes to oat pancakes because they are keto, they are vegan, they are gluten free. They are just I don't know what to say, guys, but they are amazing. And so, guys, we are done. So basically, just repeat the same procedure for all your flour to be out, and that's the outcome. I love how they look. They tasted amazing. You could feel the cinnamon, the banana. Yeah. My goodness, guys, just try it and let me know in the comment section below. So guys, please try it. Tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. Try out this recipe, guys, and see you on our next one. I love you guys. Remember to stay safe, and bye.